Are you facing Google Chrome slow downloading issue? If yes, then keep on watching this video because I am going to give you 4 tips to resolve this issue. And if you find this video helpful, you can like the video and also subscribe my channel. So first of all, let me open Google Chrome and do the troubleshooting. So first of all, you need to go to the settings of your Google Chrome. You need to click on three dots and you need to scroll down at the bottom and you need to click on settings. So after clicking on settings, there is an option of privacy. So and this is the privacy and security. Just tap on this. Now you need to click on this option, security. Scroll down. So there is an option of use secure DNS. So herein you need to click on with, and after that there is an option of this, and you can select here Google public DNS or Cloudfare to speed up the speed of Google Chrome. So I'll select any of them. After doing this, make sure to restart your Google Chrome. Just turn it off and again restart Google Chrome. Now you need to type cron colon then flags. This is the command you need to type. So you need to search here parallel downloading. So there is a search option, you can type it here, and after that you need to enable this option. It is showing default, so you need to click on enabled. So just tap on this and click on relaunch. Make sure to relaunch your Google Chrome for all these 4 steps. So make sure to relaunch it, and now it is done. So again you can go to the normal settings. You can now again go to the settings of your Google Chrome, click on 3 dots and now go to settings. Now at the left hand side you need to click on system. Now you need to turn off this option, Google running background apps when Google Chrome is closed, because it sometimes run unnecessary things and it creates problem in downloading. And you need to turn on this option, use hardware acceleration when available. So just turn this option on, and after that make sure to relaunch it once again, Google Chrome. The last thing which you need to do, so you need to just click on these 3 dots and click on this option extensions and click on manage extensions. So herein you can see there are some extensions. If you are not using any extension, you can simply remove it, because more extensions can create problems. So if you have any unwanted extensions, you can remove them and it will speed up your downloading speed. So I hope friends this video would help you, and if you think this is increase the speed of your Google Chrome and make it easier, then you can make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel, or you can also keep on commenting about your experience. So bye bye friends, have a good day.